Good morning and welcome to Australia Towbars Performance. Today I'm happy to present this 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLC. This vehicle came into our shop to get a tow bar and factory fit wiring kit supplied and fitted. I just want to get behind the vehicle here, show you guys the clean, seamless finish that these European style bars look there. It's a little modification on the underside of the diffuser, but completely seamless, and when detached, completely invisible. Just sharing with you guys what we're doing here at Australia Towbars Performance. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team. We are happy to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time.